12 cool robotic gadgets for kids.
The legendary T-Rex dinosaur features realistic dinosaur sounds and flashing lights. The fun never goes extinct. The dinosaur can shake its head, move forward and backwards, turn left and right. The one-key demo and switch 3 sounds. At the push of the one-key demo button, the dinosaur will automatically perform the specific actions. The dinosaur is equipped with a powerful motor, and it can move quickly. It can shake its head, open and close its mouth. Moreover, it can also switch to 3 different dinosaur sounds. The dinosaur can turn left and right, and when you long press the button, it will rotate 360 degrees. As this product has 2.4 gigahertz technology, you can actually play several different dinosaurs at the same time.
What is ClickBot? ClickBot is your new best friend. It is a buildable robot with a personality. Did I say robot? I meant a car or puppy. Actually, it can be whatever you want. You'll never be bored with your new companion. ClickBot has an affectionate personality, and it will play with you. ClickBot's modular design allows you to build anything you can imagine, or choose from thousands of existing configurations created by other users in the ClickBot app. ClickBot can climb, play games, and even work out with you. ClickBot is your perfect companion for creative education. Learning STEM has never been this fun for all ages. Learn code by dragging and dropping the blocks in the Blockly program, and gradually grow to be a more advanced coder. Train critical thinking skills and make your ideas real with ClickBot. ClickBot's cute personality and multifunctionality will make ClickBot a member of your family in no time. No matter your age, ClickBot is a friend to play and learn with. We hope you share the passion and excitement we had creating this with you.
Intelligent induction lucky robot. I can glide and walk.
Hello, I am Rocket Robot.
Through gesture induction, direction operation. I can also carry out dynamic cool dance and music.
DanceBot, the world's first standalone smart robot that knows how to dance. Designed with bioelectronics methodology.
Happy birthday, my handsome little prince. We love you so, so much.
DanceBot moves its hips and legs the way a human would.
I'm so happy to call you my wife. Happy anniversary, baby.
It's not just programmed to dance, but empowered by the leading algorithm to flow with real-time audio from your smart device. Suitable for music, videos, audiobooks, and podcasts. Simply connect via Bluetooth and you're ready to go. With a customizable message feature, you can send your loved ones a special greeting for any occasion. The built-in powerful 5-watt speaker adds to the DanceBot, which makes it the perfect companion.
My name is Robot Katie Weil. I'm your personal financial advisor. Wow! Come and touch my head. I will tell you useful knowledge. Hey, you can buy the things you like when you save up a great amount. Your savings are steadily increasing day by day. Forward, backward, counterclockwise circling, clockwise circling. I then display the basic movements. Ready, go! Record.
Teddy Will.
Interactive sound control.
Teddy Will. Teddy Will. Teddy Will.
Take it easy. Coming very soon. Let's dance!
This is Cody Rocky, their friendly coding companion. Cody is a standalone remote controller with more than 10 advanced electronic modules. Each module can be accessed by writing your own program. Rocky is the car that lets you take Cody anywhere you want. Every child is a born creator. Given the right tools, they can explore their capabilities and find their place in the world as innovators, engineers, scientists, and many other things. Cody Rocky's easy-to-use graphical programming language lets children explore their creativity in code by dragging and dropping blocks. He built a remote controller for his games. He created a moisture sensing and plant watering device. She programmed her remote-controlled car to avoid obstacles all on its own and even create music with Cody Rocky and your own code.
Unleash the power of Hexbug BattleBots. You can control Duck's formidable flipper or chop the competition with Rotator's dual spinning blades. Master your bot, then master the BattleBots. Hexbug BattleBots. Each sold separately.